Hello and welcome to another episode of The Golf, the Rat Golf, the Ugly Boy. Anyway, so last time I cranked it on, it made a huge puddle of gas as soon as it turned it off. So I had no clue what it was. Let's start with the fuel filter, maybe the fuel lines, I don't know. At this point I have no clue. Removing this fuel filter is pretty easy. There's some clips on the lines that you just push in and then you just pull pretty much. The clips probably will break because let's face it, it's a Volkswagen, that's what they do. Super easy, just make sure to place the filter the correct way as it goes. There should be an arrow, right, to show which way and direction. So this car's been sitting the whole year, probably really old gas. I have no clue at this point because that was like 6 months ago that 9 months ago that I tried to turn it on, crank it on. So let's see if it cranks on after this. It should, unless there's some other major problem like a lines or maybe the fuel pump. I don't know at this point, but let's check it out. Let's get it. At some point I painted the whole hood camo green flat, but I'm not feeling it anymore, so we're just gonna take it off. I got some paint stripper, and if that doesn't work, which should work, we're just gonna use the sandpaper. And I'm trying to get this car ready for the road again, and that's just not gonna cut it for me. I do not like this green at all, so let's take it off. I would much rather have this whole hood rusted or some type of like better patina. Feels fresher anyway, cause like this, it was spray paint anyway. Right at this point, the sandpaper is working so much better than the paint stripper, so we're just gonna keep working it with this and some water. It was only one layer of spray paint of the camo, so it's coming out fairly super easy. I decided to do this right in the middle of the whole fuel problem right now because it was about to rain. So anyway, all of this green paint and stuff was gonna wash off the driveway, and I'm not gonna get wet anyway, so we're just gonna let the rain do its thing, and we're gonna come back to figuring out what the problem is with the fuel. And this thing better start. After 9 months, it better start, and I know it will because I trust it and I love it. It's a German thing. Next day, added a new battery, put like 2 gallons of gasoline, and inflated the tires a little bit. So it's time to check if this thing's gonna crank after 9 months of sitting. Nope. Nope. And fell. Let me check if there's some gas spillage, and yes there is. Alright, next up. Alright, so I just found out there's a big puddle of gasoline inside over here. So yeah, when I put an ignition, it started bubbling over here. So it's one of these. It's a fuel pump's bad. So alright, we got the oil pump right here. As you can see, it was toasted and broken. This should be the problem, I'm assuming. And we got the new one. The new one, which apparently should work. All connected. The line's connected, the ring. So, yeah. Alright, so the car sounds like a lawnmower because it's been sitting for like 9 months. So it needs some new oil, it needs some new transmission fluid as well. I'm gonna do that. The only next step that needs is put this gun somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'm gonna put it like right here. Maybe on the other side, maybe on the roof. I don't know. But this is the only thing left, and then I just gotta get it road legal. Just gotta get the paper and insure it. All jokes aside, this should be really easy to replace. As soon as I put the coilovers in the car, you know how it is. The whole lower control arms just get fucked. So instead of just changing the bushings, I just decided to buy this one. It's pretty cheap, and it should take like 30 minutes to replace it. So we're gonna do that, and I'll see you in the next episode. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, follow, friend request, and retweet. Thank you very much.